This is my mic with zero processing. This is the exact same mic in the same room about 4 minutes of setup later. Most people buy a better mic, plug it in, and immediately wonder why it still picks up keyboard clacks, background noise, or sounds flat. Here's how to take your microphone from flat and noisy to crisp and clear in just a few minutes. First, head to Elgato's website and download Wavelink. The installation is straightforward. But once it's finished, you might notice your desktop audio cuts out. That's completely normal. Elgato creates virtual audio channels during installation. Fix your sound, open Windows sound settings, set your default output to System Elgato Wavelink, and you should be able to hear sounds again. Next, open Wavelink, go to the Inputs tab, and add your physical microphone. Now head to the Elgato Marketplace. You'll want to download these 5 free plugins. Elgato Noise Removal, Basic Noise Gate, Elgato Equalizer, Elgato Compressor, Elgato De-Esser. Let's build the chain in order. First up is Elgato Noise Removal. This is an AI-powered noise suppressor, and honestly, it's the most important plugin here. For most setups, the default settings work flawlessly. But if you have a quieter speaking voice and notice it clipping the edges of your words, drop the threshold down to 22% and set the attack to 300 milliseconds. Next is the noise gate. Truthfully, if AI noise removal is doing its job, you might not even need this. But if you have extra room echo or background noise slipping through, the noise gate cuts all audio below a set threshold. Keep it subtle so it doesn't chop off your breath or quiet sentences. Now for the equalizer. I'm using the Fifine AM8T, which is a fantastic budget mic. So I grab a free starter EQ preset for dynamic mics from the marketplace. But here's a basic frequency breakdown so you can tweak it for your own voice. I'll put this on the screen so you can pause it. 20 to 80 Hz. Cut these low sub-frequencies completely to eliminate disc bumps and mechanical rumble. 80 to 200 Hz. Make small cuts here to remove boominess and mud. 200 to 500 Hz. Dip slightly to reduce boxiness. 500 to 1.5k Hz. Be careful here, cutting too much strips away vocal warmth and the body. 1.5k to 5k Hz. A gentle boost here makes speech significantly clearer. 5k to 12k Hz. Adds detail and air, making your mic sound crisp and open. Next is the De-Esser. This tames the harsh sibilant sounds. Elgato makes this super easy. Just speak the test phrase in the UI and let the plugin auto-calibrate. Finally, we add the compressor. Compression evens out your vocal volume. You don't blow out your team's eardrums when you yell, while keeping quiet whispers audible. Run the auto-calibration or turn off auto makeup gain and manually bump the gain lightly if your output level feels a bit too quiet. Now for the most critical step that everyone forgets, your input device. First, make sure you have an input channel in Wavelink. Take the far right box next to your microphone in Wavelink. It should look like this. The channel is called ChatMix. In Discord, OBS or your in-game voice chat, do not select your raw mic name. You must select ChatMix as your input device. This sends your processed audio with all your plugins applied directly to your friends or stream. Remember this? That's the same mic. That's the power of a free plugin chain. If this helped, let me know in the comments what mic you're using.